In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Appreciate you guys following the channel. Today's video is on the Sandbox, and this is a huge project that's getting a lot of attention right now. Just got listed on Binance, and I want to do a quick overview of what it is so you guys can have an idea of what the Sandbox is and why it's such a groundbreaking project in crypto and why there's so much hype surrounding it. So let's get into the video. If you like our content, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. If you want to get trading alerts and trading signals, join knockoutcrypto.com. If you want to get the next big crypto report, also join knockoutcrypto.com. We're one of the best communities in crypto. Join us today. So welcome to the Sandbox. Sandbox is a community driven platform where creators can monetize voxel assets and gaming experiences on the blockchain. So it's pretty exciting what they're doing. So what is Sandbox, right? Let's just get into that. So this is their Medium page, medium.com Sandbox game. And they have this here explaining what Sandbox is. So we'll get it directly from Sandbox themselves, what the Sandbox is, and let's get into that article, okay? So what is the Sandbox? Discover the Sandbox metaverse. The Sandbox. The Sandbox is a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences in the Ethereum blockchain. Created in 2011 with 40 million downloads and a large community of creators, the Sandbox is a user-generated content gaming platform that decided to bring this successful IP from mobile into the blockchain ecosystem. We are aiming to disrupt the existing game makers like Minecraft and Roblox by providing the creators true ownership of their creations as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and reward them for their participation in the ecosystem. A user-generated content ecosystem. So the Sandbox blockchain gaming platform consists of 3 integrated products that together provide a comprehensive experience for user-generated content production. The Sandbox further benefits users by allowing them to secure copyright ownership of user-created content through blockchains and smart contracts. You have the voxel editor, the marketplace, and the game maker. Now, I'm not going to go into detail. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to read this whole article. I'm just going to browse over it. The Sandbox is a game platform based on the blockchain. The Sandbox uses several token types to ensure a circular economy between all of the profiles of users who will interact with its platform: players, creators, curators, and landowners. Sand, the ERC20 token that will be used within the Sandbox as the basis of all ecosystem transactions and interactions. Now that's the one that you see listed on coinmarketcap.com. You see Sandbox, right? And you see it's at 6 cents right now. The market cap is $25 million. It's ranked 307. The volume is 119 million. The circulating supply is 360 million. The total supply is 3 billion sand. As you can see that right now on CoinMarketCap. And let's look at the market pairs on CoinMarketCap. They're all Binance, Binance Sand USDT, Binance Sand BTC, Binance Sand BUSDT. Okay, so those are your Sandbox market pairs. So I'm going to read it real quickly here. The Sandbox claims to be a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences in the Ethereum blockchain using Sand, the platform's utility token. It is claimed that players can create digital assets, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, upload them to the marketplace, and drag and drop them to create game experiences within the Sandbox game maker. It is further claimed that the Sandbox has secured over 50 partnerships, including Atari, CryptoKitties, and Shaun the Sheep, to build a fun, creative, play-to-earn gaming platform owned and made by players. The Sandbox aims to bring blockchain into mainstream gaming, attracting both crypto and non-crypto game enthusiasts by offering the advantage of true ownership, digital scarcity, monetization capabilities, and interoperability. That's what the Sandbox is doing. Big stuff Sandbox is doing, right? So, this is the blockchain report from, and we just went over that. So, real quickly, a land is a digital piece of real estate in the Sandbox metaverse that players can buy to build experiences on top of. Once a player owns a piece of land, the player will be able to populate it with games and assets. Multiple land can be combined to form an estate. A total of 166,464 land will ever be available, contained in a map that will form the Sandbox metaverse. Gem and Catalyst define the tiers, scarcity, and attributes of assets. Catalyst adds empty sockets to the NFTs that can be filled with gems. The higher the quality of the Catalyst, the more sockets your asset will have. Users can monetize their time on the platform, keeping 95% of Sand's revenue shared by selling assets. Users can create and sell assets on the marketplace as NFTs, owning land, buying land in one of the land sales. Players can rent them or populate them with content to increase land value. Build games on the game maker. Build and monetize games using the game maker on the lands that are available, owned by the players. So if you go back to the Sandbox website, which is here, you see what website here, you can see pre-sale 4 is coming. Pre-register now and get your premium land. So they're selling land now, and as this was saying, there's only 166,464 total land that will ever be available. So that's going to show that land is very scarce in the game, and that is where digital real estate is going to come in, and it's going to be worth a lot more. So the ERC's 20 standard is used for the Sand, Gem, and Catalyst tokens, while ERC 115 and ERC 721 standards are used for the storage and trading of land and assets. So land is a ERC 721, and an asset is a ERC 115. So I want to go over that, and I'm not going to go too deep into this, but I just wanted to go a little bit over that so you understand what's happening. This is digital real estate for sale. They just did the AMA with Binance. They just did the AMA with Binance. So it was one of the questions that stood out to me that a lot of people may not know about Sandbox. A lot of big companies like Atari Games, Encoma, Square Enix are Sandbox partners. What are the next major partnerships and announcements we can expect from Sandbox? They'll be announcing more in 2020. These are their targets for 2020. Our next major milestones after raising on the Binance Launchpad are game public beta launch of the games platform with dozens of games available to play, supported by the foundation. Events, launch of the first season event with play to earn mechanism. Multiplayer, socialize, chat, and interact with friends in the Sandbox hub. Land public sale, regular land sales and support for Game Maker. Vox Edit official release 1.0. Another thing a lot of people don't know is they are one of the leading projects in the NFT space, which is non-fungible tokens, and the most expected blockchain game with the NFTs of 2020. They have sold over $1.2 million of NFTs in our pre-sale, and our platform allows users to mint their own NFTs using the ERC 1115 standard that we have co-authored with Engine. Remember that one? Engine Games and Horizon Games. So that's big as well, guys. You have to remember they've already sold $1.25 billion worth of land. So, I mean, $1 million worth of land. I didn't say billions, but maybe they will sell billions in the future. But, so the Sandbox, this was on April 2nd, 2020. The Sandbox sells 3,400 ETHs worth of virtual land in 5 hours. So this is virtual real estate that they've already sold. And that was the third pre-sale. And now this is the fourth pre-sale coming. You can pre-register now for the fourth pre-sale to get your digital virtual land. And the March 31st pre-sale sold 12,384 pieces of land, virtual spaces in the game in just 5 hours. That equates to approximately 10% of the total 166,464 pieces in the game, with most of it slapped up in the first 30 minutes. The Sandbox has quickly become one of the most coveted blockchain games on the market with more than 40 million downloads. The first pre-sale for the game occurred December 2019 with more than 3,000 pieces of land sold in 4 hours. The second pre-sale on February 16th sold 6,192 pieces. A fourth and final land pre-sale will be announced later this year. So definitely each piece of land is 96 by 96 meters, far more space than the 1.5 recommended for social distancing. So it's pretty encouraging. So they launched on Binance on August 4th, 2020. They did a token sale, and that raised $3 million, and they used the Binance lottery format. This is the sales results. All 360 million SAN tokens were sold to Launchpad's participants who drew and claimed winning lottery tickets, and that's the way that they do it at BNB and Binance. They have over 20k followers on Twitter. They also have this is the Binance pairing here on USD pairing on Binance.com. As you can see, there's not much trading going on yet, but that is soon to come. Let me just see if I can change this to the 30-minute. So there is some trading going on. It's a 30-minute chart there. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Okay. So they have begun trading on Binance on the SAN USD pairing. So this is a project that is just really going over. They're doing over 55 million in USD volume right now on Binance. As you can see, it says it right there, SAN on Binance, 55 million. So there's a lot of hype behind this. A lot of people are into it. A lot of people know that this project with 40 million downloads, maybe more than that, this project has the potential to show what a blockchain can do. And it shows that there is a demand for digital real estate and for gaming. And I just think crypto and blockchain just fits in so well with gaming and digital real estate. And this is one of the best examples of it out there. And I think that you should go check it out. Like I said, go to the Medium page. You can go to this link here, linktree/Sandbox. Check out their Twitter, their YouTube, their Twitch, their Discord, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Medium. Learn all you can about Sandbox. It's very impressive what they're doing, and this could be a guideline for another company to come behind them and do just the same. Here's the 50 partnerships and counting. Look at the partnerships. They have Battle Racers, Square Enix, Crypto Kitties, Square Enix. I believe that's the group that did Roblox, right? Matic, all of these groups, Atari, all these groups are supporting what they're doing. So really big what they're doing. It's just something that you really have to check out. So check out their team. They have 37 resources located in their 3 offices, 24 full-time employees in Argentina, 11 in France, 2 in Korea, 1 in Japan. This is a big project that's doing big things. You definitely want to follow this. It's the most anticipated game of 2020. It's a project that everyone was looking for, and now it's on Binance. So I believe the hype is just going to push this project forward. Also, their YouTube page, 56k subscribers. Check out their YouTube page. Check out all the videos they have on there. They have some really good videos explaining what the game does and how it works. Okay, guys, so I'm really encouraging you to check everything out. I am looking at this very closely. I think this is a good long-term thing to check out. Sandbox game. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow me on subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. Right now we're at 6 cents. We're at 6 cents on CoinMarketCap. Let's see what it does after that. But let's see what Sandbox does. We're at 25 million market cap, and it could go up higher. So guys, thank you for following the channel. Appreciate your support. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Check out Sandbox. Very encouraging project. I mean, very amazing project. Probably one of the best crypto games out right now, if not the best. All right, guys. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Get the next big crypto report. Get trading signals and alert. Sign up at knockoutcrypto.com. Thank you for supporting the channel. Stay safe during the pandemic. Thank you, guys.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.